So over here you can see that I have this image right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and burn out some pixels so that it is a bit of dark inside of Affinity. So over here in the pixel mode, I can actually go around over here, and then under the adjustment brush tool, you can see that burn brush tool is an option. You can go ahead and change the size of the brush right here and change the flow and change out parameters as you like. And as you draw out, you can see that the selected area right here burns out a bit right here. Right now, it's not, let's say for example, very effective because the midtones is selected. So that is the mid brightness areas of the picture. But if you want to see some result over here in the sky, which is bright, I'm going to go ahead and select highlight, and you can see that it takes effect now. So you can see that the sky right here is much more dark, but the dark area itself is not affected much, as you can see right here. So you can select out the highlights and draw around so that the dark area is dodged. But if you just want to go around and change out the dark areas, you can go for shadows and then draw out, and then what happens is that it won't affect much on the bright areas but only on the dark areas. The dark areas become much more darker, so the changes is quite subtle. So if you were to go to midtones, however, then the medium level of the brightness areas right here can be burned off. So you can go ahead and change around the flow as you want, and then accordingly you can see that there's more effect to it. So you can go around over here, add in more, like let's say for example softness or hardness to the brush as you like right here, and then you can draw around right here just like this to make the contents darker inside of Affinity. And when you do this, what actually happens is that it does not create a mask or anything, so it's directly on the image. So it is a type of destructive editing, so you gotta be careful if you don't want to go ahead and lose details. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the burn brush tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.